So for our very first lab, we are going to do the lab preparation. So basically, we created a calendar within the class, and you can see it broken down, which is just all this information that was provided in the report on a calendar. You can see the activation cultures, and then the day span, plate pouring, active time, incubation for 3 days. And then you're going to see us do all the lab exercises on Sunday. Once again, plate pouring, activity time, incubation for another 3 days, lab exercise. So that is that information transferred onto our calendar. Next, we're going to be talking about lab safety, which is very important during these things. The 3 phases of lab safety is preparation, experiment, and cleanup. Preparation, I point out the key factors is gather and organize supplies, read all info, go over MS, DS info, wear proper clothing, and tie hair back, cover workspace with either cardboard or a plastic bag, open windows for proper ventilation. Next is experiment. You should always be aware, wear approved gear, goggles, face masks, and gloves. Read all chemical labels. Never sniff open acid. Always whiff it towards your face. Never leave an open flame, and test objects for heat. Lastly, we have cleanup, which is most important. Dispose of all chemicals and supplies properly. Clean working area and lab items with water and dish soap. Let air dry. This is very important that you put solids in the trash and liquid in the sink. For cultures to go, they must be stored in a temperature of 70 degrees. The bathroom usually stays pretty cool, especially during the summer. Incubation for cultures must be in a dark location. And this is perfect because even when the lights are off, it gets extra dark because of the doors. Nextly, the reason why I'm choosing this, and I think that this is the best spot, because there's barely any airflow that comes into this room, which also helps them grow. And I'm keeping the cultures in the box they came from, just in case for extra protection. And since there's no window, it stays pretty dark in here. The box will also protect just in case somebody opens this with the light on. And then this is how it looks closed. So pretty dark. The doors also protect over animals, especially this one. So this is a perfect spot.